How to use a swim spa for fun and relaxation. Did you know that the average swim spa can be used indoors or out? Imagine having access to swimming at home, but inside. Here are 3 ways to use the swim spa for fun and relaxation. A continuous adjustable current for swimming. With an adjustable continuous current, you never need to turn around or hit a wall. Swim in place and recreate the open water experience. Build an aquatic fitness center. Transform your swim spa into a fully functioning, amazing aquatic gym. Add resistance bands and row bars for strength training, an underwater treadmill for cardiovascular conditioning, and lap swimming for overall toning. Relax and restore with Hydromassage. Did you know that you can add a hot tub spa at one end of your swim spa? Yes, that's 2 amazing experiences in one single machine. Swim and exercise on one end and enjoy soothing hydrotherapy with temperature-controlled water and powerful jets on the other. So go ahead, take a swim. You deserve it. It's fast, fun, and relaxing. Not only that, it's good for the body, soothes the mind, and can improve your overall health and well-being. To learn more about the benefits of owning a swim spa, pick up a copy of our free Consumer's Guide to Buying a Swim Spa. Visit our website at www.backyardretreat.ca.